You spend a third of your life doing it, yet I'll bet you flunked this sleep test. 20 questions, expert level, on what really happens the moment the lights go out. Call your answers out loud and let's dive in. You're at Body of Knowledge, where curious minds put what they think they know to the test. Question 1. 2 of these statements about sleep are true, so which one is the lie? Is it that your brain can be as active in dreams as when you're awake? That a full sleep cycle repeats roughly every 90 minutes? Or that during deep sleep, your brain switches off and rests? Lock in your guess and start keeping score. It's a myth. During deep sleep, your brain does not switch off and rest. Even in your deepest sleep, neurons keep firing in slow, synchronized waves. Your brain never powers down, it just shifts into a completely different rhythm. Question 2. Which animal spends far more of its day asleep or resting? Is it the koala or the giraffe? It's the koala. Koalas rest up to 20 hours a day because their eucalyptus diet is toxic and barely gives them energy, so they conserve every bit. Giraffes get by on about 4.5 hours. Question 3. Who needs the most total sleep in a single day? Is it a newborn, a teenager, an adult, or a senior? It's the newborn. Newborns need around 16 hours because their brains are building neural connections at a furious pace, especially during REM, far faster than an adult brain ever will. Question 4. Why can a coffee at 3 p.m. still leave you tossing in bed at 11 p.m.? Here are your choices. Option A, caffeine lingers for hours in your body. Option B, coffee quietly dehydrates your brain. Option C, a late sugar crash jolts you awake. Correct answer, A, caffeine lingers for hours in your body. Caffeine has a half-life of about 5 to 6 hours, so an afternoon cup can still have a quarter of its dose circulating at bedtime, blocking adenosine, the very chemical that builds your sleep pressure. Question 5. Put these sleep stages in the order you actually enter them after lights out. Going down the list, they are deep sleep, dozing off, dream sleep, and light sleep. You start with dozing off. You drift down from dozing into deep sleep, then rise back up into dreams. Deep sleep rules the early night, while dream sleep stretches longer toward morning. Question 6. How many hours does it take to clear half the caffeine from an afternoon coffee? Is it 5 hours, 2 hours, or 10 hours? It's 5 hours. Question 7. 3 of these keep you awake for the same reason, so which one doesn't belong? So your choices are A, espresso, B, green tea, C, dark chocolate, D, chamomile tea. The answer, of course, is D, chamomile tea. Espresso, green tea, and dark chocolate all carry caffeine that blocks your sleep signals. Chamomile has none, which is exactly why it won't keep you up. Question 8. 3 of these animals sleep with half their brain awake, so which one doesn't? The options are A, dolphin, B, mallard duck, C, fur seal, D, house cat. The correct answer is D, house cat. Question 9. A nightcap helps you drift off fast, but what does it do to the rest of your night? Your options are A, wrecks your deep and dream sleep, B, deepens your sleep all night, C, leaves your sleep unchanged. The answer is A. Wrecks your deep and dream sleep. Alcohol speeds you into sleep, but then fragments the second half of the night, suppressing restorative dream sleep and jolting you awake again and again as it wears off. That's the warm-up done. Now we cross into expert territory, where almost nobody keeps a clean sheet. Keep counting your score, because these next ones separate the casual sleeper from the sleep scientist. If your brain's lighting up already, subscribe to Body of Knowledge so you never miss a fresh quiz. Question 10. About what percent of a normal night is spent in dream sleep? Is it 25%, 50%, or 10%? It's 25%. Only about a quarter of your night is dream sleep, and it's bunched near morning. The rest is light and deep, non-dreaming sleep, when your body does most of its repair work. Here's the rhythm of your night. You don't sleep in one flat block. You ride roughly 90-minute cycles, sinking from light sleep into deep, slow-wave sleep, then floating up into dreams. Early cycles are heavy on the deep sleep that repairs your body. Later ones brim with REM that wires memory and emotion. Cut your night short and you mostly lose that morning dream sleep, the very part that sharpens your mind. Question 11. Which of these animals sleeps the least each day? Is it the little brown bat, the human, the giraffe, or the elephant? It's the elephant. Wild elephants sleep only about 2 hours a day, the least of any mammal. Their enormous bodies need almost constant foraging just to stay fueled. Question 12. I'm a hormone released only in darkness, made by your pineal gland as night falls, wiped out by screen light, and sold in stores as the sleep hormone. Who am I? Is it melatonin, cortisol, or adenosine? It's melatonin. Melatonin doesn't knock you out. It signals nightfall to your body and shifts your internal clock. Evening screen light suppresses it, which is why scrolling in bed delays when you feel sleepy. Question 13. Rank these by how much deep sleep they get the most first. In the order on screen, they are teenager, toddler, senior, and adult. The toddler gets the most. Deep, slow-wave sleep peaks in early childhood and steadily shrinks with age. That's why older adults sleep lighter and wake more often, not because they need less sleep. Question 14. Which is more likely to wake you in the second half of the night? Is it a nightcap of alcohol or warm milk? It's the nightcap of alcohol. Question 15. Picture a sleeping brain where cells shrink, clear fluid rushes through the gaps, and dark waste is swept away by dawn. So what process is this? So your choices are A, glymphatic cleaning, B, memory consolidation, C, REM rebound. Correct answer, A, glymphatic cleaning. During deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink, letting cerebrospinal fluid flush out waste like beta amyloid, a deep clean that barely happens while you're awake. Question 16. Why do you sometimes wake up groggier than before bed, feeling wrecked for an hour? On the board, A, the alarm caught you in deep sleep. B, you simply slept far too long. C, your bedroom was too bright. Correct answer, A, the alarm caught you in deep sleep. Being yanked out of deep sleep triggers sleep inertia, a foggy, heavy-headed state that can last up to 30 minutes. Wake during lighter sleep and you skip it entirely. Question 17. Why can a warm bath before bed actually help you fall asleep faster? So your choices are A, it makes your body cool down after. B, it gently heats your brain to relax. C, it tires out your muscles. The winner is A, it makes your body cool down after. A warm bath pulls blood to your skin, so your core temperature drops once you step out. That cooling is one of the key signals your brain uses to trigger sleep. Question 18. Order these across one night, the earliest first. On screen, top to bottom, they are deep sleep peaks, melatonin rises, cortisol wakes you, and body temp bottoms out. Melatonin rising comes first. Your clock runs a fixed sequence. Melatonin rises at dusk, deep sleep dominates early, core temperature bottoms out near dawn, then cortisol surges to wake you up. Question 19. 3 of these suppress your sleep hormone, so which one barely does? Here are your choices. A, phone screen. B, overhead LED. C, morning sunlight. D, dim red light. The winner is D, dim red light. Melatonin is crushed most by blue-white light. Red light's wavelength is too long to trip the eye's clock sensors, so it barely disturbs your sleep. Question 20. By age 75, about how many years will you have spent asleep? Is it 25 years, 10 years, or 40 years? It's 25 years. Sleeping about a third of every day adds up to roughly 25 years over a lifetime. Time your body spends on repair, memory, and brain cleanup. Never wasted. And that's all 20, so how did you do? Tally up your score and drop it in the comments, along with the one question that finally caught you out. If something here made you rethink your own nights, share this with a friend who swears they run just fine on 4 hours, and challenge them to beat your score. Thanks for getting curious with us here at Body of Knowledge. Remember, this is for wonder and learning, not medical advice, so take good care of that astonishing body, and we'll see you in the next one.